Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the form you want to close and confirming you have edit or owner rights. Once done, check response settings so you know whether a confirmation message or collectors are active. Make sure collaborators understand you will change availability, because changes affect access immediately. Also verify any linked sheets or add-ons so you won't break automations. Now that prerequisites are handled, move directly to the response collection controls in the form's toolbar. You toggle off accepting responses from the top of the form or in settings, which immediately prevents new submissions. Once disabled, edit the form description to explain it's closed and provide any next steps or contact info for late requests. If responses feed into a linked sheet, stop or pause imports and protect critical ranges to avoid accidental edits. Make sure to notify collaborators and stakeholders. Once everyone is informed, proceed to finalize archival and data handling. You finish by exporting all responses to CSV or your preferred format and storing backups in an organized folder. Then change sharing to view-only or transfer ownership if someone else will manage archives. If you need the form to remain visible, add a clear closed notice on the form header. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, and if necessary, briefly re-enable accepting responses to test settings before disabling again. This ensures data integrity and a clear closure process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.